In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make SVG files in Photoshop in a super simple way, even if you've never done it before. This is a quick and useful trick if you want to export clean vector graphics for websites, icons, logos, or design assets that need to stay sharp at any size. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and make sure you already have a vector shape layer in your document. This is important because SVG files are based on vector data, not regular pixels. So if you're working with a shape, logo, or any vector element, you're in the right place. Now go over to the Layers panel and select the vector shape layer you want to turn into an SVG file. Once the layer is selected, right-click directly on the layer name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Copy SVG. This will copy the SVG code for that vector shape to your clipboard. Now the next step is to open a text editor. On Windows, you can use Notepad. On Mac, you can use TextEdit. Once the text editor is open, paste the code using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. You'll now see the SVG markup in plain text form. This is the actual code that makes the file work as an SVG. After that, go to File, then choose Save As. When the Save window opens, give your file a name, and this part is very important. Physically type .svg at the end of the file name. For example, if you want to call it icon, make sure the final name is icon.svg. That extension tells your computer to save it as an SVG file instead of a text file. Before you click Save, double-check that the file type is correct and that the .svg extension is included in the name. Then save the file to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully made an SVG file from Photoshop using a vector shape layer. This method is fast, clean, and really helpful when you need scalable graphics for web or design work. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.